Used to love go Casper, now I'm loud like Rick and Morty. Skip this music story, I'm not just rapping, I'm telling a story. Used to love go Casper, now I'm in the lab like Rick and Morty. You skip this music story, I'm not just rapping, I'm telling a story. I've been keeping her lit since keeping her lit equipped, keeping a spliff, smell hit in the pocket, zip just like the lips. Loose one sink ships and boats, but you won't find a hole in my armada. Not her never send her rada, but not in a group of cards. That's a boy, shimming clown, knew the crack saying now. You hear it's not a band, this ain't a gasolina lads. Under the influence overstand, in pursuit of a covert plan, like I'm driving a stolen van. Black gloves on that show my hand. I'm just an ordinary man like Christy, yeah. Seen on next, but I said that I miss me. Back and ready to pop like Rice Krispies. Like Snoop Dogg, I'll be rapping in my 50s. Black on black with a cap, I can shift me. Blunt in the oven until it gets crispy. See, patience is key, but basically don't be waiting for dreams. Raise your feet and gather a speed and get what you need. Where's job or degree, a smoke or a feed. Slang at your back of your weed, by any means, you know what I mean. Ain't always as it seems. Paid and afraid it would skint at the start of the week. Bang on slow, credit, weak. No surrender, no retreat. No accepting defeat, they'll always land on my feet. Black sheep, hobble the road downhill from a tree. Started rapping, Irish hip-hop, that's what's happening. Pull 'em on to get the bag like Mary Poppins. Used to laugh, go Casper, now I'm loud like Rick and Morty. Skip this music story, I'm not just rapping, I'm telling a story. Used to laugh, go Casper, now I'm in the lab like Rick and Morty. You skip this music story, I'm not just rapping, I'm telling a story. Now I got a mouth called Spud, being by mistakes, it's a pub. That's me know when the cops pull up and he's the first one to hear my new stuff. Me and we spuddy like the dastard Liam Muttley feels that rhythm. Like the catch that pigeon, nice buzz missing. Probably out trying to find bitches coming through like I have the boneless. Can't get through to me like you're phoneless. I'm thinking a beat like your tone deaf bar, shouting out the big bones. Osteoporosis, most don't know this, cause I've been sleeping in the bed like roses. Man need focus, need to be ready at a moment's notice to go over like hocus pocus. Got that hunger and fucking choking. You girl heard me rap, it's flux soaking. When I'm about, smells always potent. To rake a joint like I went to deficit stroke. The weed and bucky, no need for a coke fix. Up all night on a tonic when I wrote this. Breaking bread, my closest rapping, smoking. Nice shaped out with roaches, give it raw and real, tall and pale. Show my scale, a dog's tail. When the wrist up on the scale, never give up even if I fail. On a train, you can't derail. Showing emotions on a track, like a dog's tail when he gets a pat. I'm on the hunt, I'm on the attack. I'm aiming straight for the target, snack like Annie Wolf from with the pack. Boys from school, it's got my back. Trying to see cars with that like Jack. Missed a few goals, but lit a few shows. Was told up at home in a sofa stone in my zone. Coming over raps and spits and says I strap list. Better stay spots in a mattress. Jude Law when I'm hot list. 17 degrees on top list. In the passenger say with a split. Few spits in a blue whip. While I'm cruising with Lewis. Smell we do you prove it. Them fake names will move it.